welcome to the Granny Square series. This week we're looking at this nice textured square made with popcorn stitches. You can see here's this pink one on my blanket. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a double magic circle. And in this round we're going to make 4 popcorn stitches with a chain 4 space between each. I'm just trying to find my tail. There we go. So I'm going to start with a chain 2. I already chained 1 when I made the circle. So I'm going to make 4 US doubles, UK trebles. So after 4 stitches, make the loop big, take your hook out, go into the first stitch, take hold of the loop and pull that through. And that's our first popcorn stitch. Chain 4. And repeat. So we're going to do that 3 more times, yeah? And I'll see you at the end of the round. So I'm just making my last popcorn stitch. I'm going to chain 4. And then we're going to pull the circle tight. So pull the tail end, see which loop tightens first and pull that one tight. Then pull your tail end. Yeah. And we're just going to slip stitch across into that chain space. Make sure your tail doesn't get in the way. Yeah, and that's the end of round 1, 4 popcorn stitches. Round 2, we're going to make a granny stitch round. So we're in that chain space. We're going to chain 2, and then we're going to make the corner. So we're going to chain 2 for the corner. We're then going to make 3 stitches in there, US doubles, UK trebles. After 3 stitches, we're going to hop across to the next corner. We're going to make 3 more stitches, the same as before. And then we're going to chain 2 and 3 more stitches. Hop across to the next corner, 3 stitches, chain 2, 3 stitches, and I'll see you at the end of the round. So I'm just coming back round to the first corner. Remember, we didn't actually finish that corner, we just made half of it. So we're just going to hop across and make 3 stitches. And then we're going to slip stitch into the chain 4 space that we made. Yeah, and that's the end of round 2. So for round 3, we're going to make popcorn stitches in the corner and then a granny group along the edge. So we're going to chain 2, and we're going to make our first popcorn stitch. So we're going to make 4 US doubles, UK trebles into the corner space. Yeah, we're going to pull the loop, go into the first stitch and pull that loop through. Pinch tight. We're then going to chain 4 and we're going to make a second popcorn stitch in the corner. So 4 stitches to make the popcorn. Pull your loop tight, go into the first stitch, pull the yarn through, and then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to make 3 stitches in between those 2 groups of 3 from the last round. So 3 US doubles, UK trebles. After your 3 stitches, chain 2, and we're back at a corner. So we're going to make a popcorn stitch, chain 4, and then another popcorn stitch. And that's our repeat. So we're going to go round all the way like that, and I'll see you back at the beginning. So I've just made my last group of 3 stitches, and I've chained 2, and I'm just going to slip stitch straight into the corner to finish round 3. So that's what round 3 will look like. So for round 4, we're going to just make a granny square round. So we're going to chain 1 and then chain 3. Yeah, and then we're going to start the corner by making 3 stitches, US doubles, UK trebles. And then after 3 stitches, we're going to go straight across into the chain 2 space with 3 more stitches. After 3 stitches, into the next chain space with 3 more stitches. And you should then be at the corner. So we're going to make 3 stitches, chain 2, 3 stitches. And that's our repeat. So I'll see you back at the end. I'm just coming up to the last corner. I've made 3 stitches in the chain space. And remember, we only made the first, well, the second lot of 3. So we're going to make 3 stitches into the corner from round 3. And then slip stitch into the chain space. And that's 4 rounds all done. And I'll see you next week.